Today was a holiday, so no trading. Then I got this comment. Let me see my comment. So I guess I'll just make a video. Definitely make a video on my strategy. I was thinking about that all day. It's like, what is my strategy? I mean, when I think about it, I'm just like a supply zone, demand zone type of trader. I just look for key levels, support, resistance, and then I use a bunch of indicators to that match what I'm looking for. Like my favorite indicators are VWAP, volume profile, and the moving averages. That's pretty much it. And then I built up my playbook about like how I set up within those areas. So I just play like levels I mark. For example, let's just go. That's 30. So I just clear every week. Just clear the drawings, and now I just look at key zones. That's volume profile. Here's a key zone right here. That don't allow, bro. Supply zone, that's like where resistance is gonna be. But you break out of there, then I'll be shooting, for these areas, for these levels. But until then, right now, and my goal is just to capture 100 points. So 39, 38, 878 to right here, like this small little piece. Let's just draw a line for 100 points. So every day, I'm looking for a line this big. That's all I'm looking for. Every day, you look at every trading session. There's always, every day, you can get 100 points as long as you know which side you on. And that's pretty much it. And some days you can get home runs. We can get this day. In one trading day, we went from 39,600 down to, we dropped 500 points in one day. You just pick one side, and to make sure that I get the right entries in my key areas. So I have setups that I look for that I saved. I got like a whole playbook, and then so that way when that setup comes, I just do it. Look, I just show. Most of it is posted up on my wall. I gotta post it up on my wall right there, so I can just look at it. I can just look at my setups, where I know where to put my stop, where I need to put my stop, how far I can look for a profit target. But most of these wins are about like the 100-point mark. And the 100-point mark, when I talk about 100 points, you can find that in anything. You can find that in something that's equivalent. So if you're looking at the ES, the same equivalent would be about 10 points. So you can find a 10-point move, then you did a really good job that day. It's about that. And then like every trading session has 10 points. You can grab 10 points out of it all, and you could if you combine your setups to get those 10 points, then you could just scale up and take it crazy and make a lot of money. And that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to start scaling up. I think I'm scaling up tomorrow. I'm just gonna go. If I lose 400, I'm out. But I'm gonna try to make about 400. That's what I'm gonna go for. We're gonna see how that goes. Same style, same strategies. Oh, this is happening right now. Oh, the market's open, but not really. I'm thinking, okay, for this week, for tomorrow, I'm going bullish. Yeah, but I just got my own, and I'm very visual. But really, you're just looking at what direction is gonna go. My move here is like, if it goes, if the Dow Jones breaks over this 950, you can see resistance can be anywhere right here. I'm not trying to capture exactly 100, but I'm trying to get close. So sometimes I'll get 70 to 100 to 70 to like 150, and then I'm looking for any type of weakness. You can just watch all my videos. I just know that I just cut that shit if I see. 'Cause you never know, you might get top tick. Cause like the market, once you realize the market's always playing games, then you know that there's sometimes when you hold. I see my setups on my wall. I know what it looks like. I know what it looks like to hold. And if it starts doing something a little bit different than what I have up here, then I'm ready to cut it because it's doing something different. It's a different thing. But yeah, but I just basically screenshotted all my playbook, all my favorite trades I've been in, and I try to look at it again and look at where, like how it worked, and any clues that I could look for again that's repeatable. And I'm just doing that every day right now. So that's pretty much it. Force resistance, order flow. And then when I do look at the time and sales a lot when I'm trading, but all of it is just to give me a feel on when I should be exiting. And that's it. But I think it's supposed to be over here. I keep it simple. I don't know. I don't really have a strategy. I'm just trying. Oh yeah, just make sure you don't lose more than you win. That's a freaking strategy. What is my strategy? That's my style. I don't know. I incorporated a lot of people's stuff. I incorporated a lot of traders that do supply and demand mixed with support and resistance traders and momentum traders. And that's just how and then I just put it all together. And I got playbooks for shorts and longs, and I just try to look for that. I think I'm feeling pretty good about how I'm feeling about it. So I'm very excited to see where it goes. Dude, that day that I caught right there, and then it just did it again, and then for it to break over, it looked good. Now it's pulling back a little bit. So this is a key level right here. This level is constantly getting played. I feel like another fall under this level would be a short. But I'm kind of bullish. Not gonna lie. The reason why I'm bullish for the week, for the whatever, because if you look at the weekly, look at the weekly. It's June 17th week. It's not even finished. Pull back. Dude, if this closes over 39,000, bro, I see a move towards right there, 39,500. Especially if you break out of there. Yo, we break out of this right here. Oh, this is a very, very key level. I need to alert. That's very important. No, every time. Come on. That's a key level. That's a level where you can see a move to here or higher. Cause look how bullish it looks, right? But if okay, and then if you're trying to, okay. For next week, it might not go this week. For next week, though, see how the marketplace in these wicks right here. So right here, this zone is where I'd be looking to buy if I'm still bullish. Look for like a wick down. I'm gonna set a alert right there. Says I want to watch it. What it does right there. We could catch a wick. 38,500. Where we at right now? So we can see if this thing still stays. If it stays closed in this area. If we get like another sideways day, which probably. We can see like a count, like how, on its uptrend. Look at these. If it's on an uptrend, you're gonna catch. There's gonna be wicks falling in. We can look for something like that for Monday, for next week, for something. I don't know. Don't it look like it? It looks like it's. Yeah, and I just look at the bigger time frame. Also. Let's see if I can make it. If I can color this. Let's get a brush. Uh-oh. I'm at a highlighter. Oh, rotated rectangle. How about that? Oh, there it is. So what does that look like over here? Oh, that's the zone. Oh my gosh. Pull back into this area. I have to remember that. Okay, I got the alert right there. I can delete this. So this level definitely a short. I'll look for a short again here. That's not even actually a lot. I don't know. I have no idea. But if we catch a wick down in here, that's the next bottom for an uptrend. Bet, brother. Bet. I'll be ready for it. That's it. That's all I'm looking at. And if it fails, we're going down. But this is just based off the weekly. And every week, bro, you get a wick. Every fucking week. And then the fall is a super short under 468. I already have the alert there. That's a short alert. Boom. This is a short alert, bro. Whatever it is, it's going to be at least 100. But if it's get down here, I'm probably going to load up. Take the risk. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much a strategy, man. My strategy is just planning while using support, demand, and then when I'm in the middle of the trade, I'm relying on VWAP, EMAs to get my entries and order flow data. Level 2s, I don't know, all of it. Just get a feel for it. And then you take your risk, dude. I don't know. But we're going to find out how it goes. Just keep up with me for a whole year, man. I feel like I'm going to make a lot of money.